Decent move for us on the day in here in Tesla. We started out pre-market right around that 435 range. We climbed higher into those 450s and then kind of faded out into close, but we're still trading right here in that 445 range. On the weekly chart, you can see that kind of puts us right in the middle of this overall structure. So on the week, we do overall have a red candle, and we're still kind of engulfed by that previous week that we just had in here, but decent enough day for us overall on the day in here. We'll take it, and we'll see what tomorrow brings heading into those Fed minutes. Now, as far as our supports and resistances here on this weekly chart, we have a support right here sitting at that 441 range. Anything below there, we're looking at this 9-day EMA. We're looking at right around 427. And then below there, obviously 414, which was a previous support for us all the way back in October and September. Resistance wise, there's really nothing stopping us until we get up here to this 465 range, but we are going to keep an eye on a couple levels between now and then. So 455 and 460 are going to be two areas we're going to map out before we get to that 465. So we're going to kind of let the chart kind of dictate things to us as we're working our way up to that 465, but we're really going to kind of keep an eye and just kind of look at those 455s and the 460s as we're working our way higher in there. Now, your RSI is sitting right here at the 60 range, so it's not necessarily overbought. It's still pretty high though, but we still got a ways to go if we are going to get pushed higher, and the Fed minutes might either push us higher into all-time highs here soon, or it might just kind of crash the whole market. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Everything's going to be banking on the Fed. Now, as far as our implied volatility goes, everybody's pricing in right around a $14.23 expected move by this Friday. Next Friday, right around 25 bucks. And if you go all the way out to January, right around a $51 move is being priced in here in Tesla. So we're going to see what happens overall tomorrow. Everybody's going to be forward looking to those Fed minutes and to see what Jerome Powell has to say. But 441 is going to be the line in the sand in here for our support. If that doesn't hold, 427. If it does hold, then we're looking at that 465 range with notes taking at 455 and 460. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.